Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make Espasol. It originated from Laguna but I had my first try of it in Tagaytay. So for our ingredients, we have our toasted rice flour, coconut flakes because we don't have a grated coconut, then glutinous rice, coconut cream, and sugar. So to start off, we're going to put on our coconut cream. Let it boil roughly around 10 minutes. So we're going to add sugar. And mix it well so it will be dissolved. In the Philippines, this rice pudding is often visible in pasalubong centers, or you can see this on the bus stops. So mix the sugar well and let it so. Then let's add some vanilla extract to make it smell good. Then we're going to put our glutinous rice. All the ingredients are listed on the description box below so you can check it out for the measurement.